With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is comment. Comment on the statements that all ores are minerals, but all the minerals are not ores. So for that we have to understand what is minerals and what is ore basically. So first of all we will understand what is mineral. So what is mineral? So basically various compounds found in the earth crust that is called mineral that can be obtained by mining. So we can say compounds of metal. Non-metal also can be there, but generally extraction process is taken for metal, so that's why we are writing here metal. So compounds of metal which are found in earth crust, which are found in earth crust and obtained by mining is called as mineral. Now what is basically the ores? What is ores? So the minerals which can be extracted economically and we can say along with that conveniently, that is called ore. The minerals from which the mineral from which metal can be extracted. Metal can be extracted economically and conveniently. Conveniently and economically. These 2 points are more important, economically and conveniently. That is called ore. So from this statement we can say that all the minerals cannot be ores, because all the minerals cannot be extracted economically and conveniently. So that means all the minerals are not ores. But ores, all the ores will be mineral, because the definition is minerals from which metals can be extracted. So that means all the ores will be minerals. We can take one example of aluminium. So aluminum has 2 minerals, like one is clay. We have so many of minerals we can say, but right now we are taking 2. One is clay and second is bauxite. Bauxite is a chemical composition of Al2O3 dot twice H2O. Now from bauxite the aluminum can be extracted economically and conveniently. So that means this is called as ores as well. Along with mineral, this can be called as ore. But this clay is not ore, because from clay we cannot extract the aluminum economically and conveniently. So that means this is only minerals. So that means we can say that a statement is true. That a statement is true, we can say true, because all the ores are minerals, but all the minerals are not ore. I hope you understand this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.